Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be trying this stuff, Power Maxed non-acidic alloy wheel cleaner on that incredibly dirty wheel you can see right there. Never tried this stuff before, saw it in the parts store that I was in buying some parts for the Focus, and I thought, oh, I'll give that a try. So we're going to try it on this wheel here. So basically what it says to do is spray onto the wheel when the wheel's dry, leave it for 2 minutes, agitate it if necessary, and this wheel is going to need agitated because it's very dirty, and then rinse it off. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to squish it all over the wheel, leave it for 2 minutes, then I'm going to power wash it. I'm not going to touch it with a brush, I'm going to power wash it and see what it does. Then I may have to go back over it with a sponge or a brush. So let's just get started.
A few moments later.
Right, now it's time to power wash it and let's see what this stuff can do. So, not bad, but it's definitely not fantastic stuff just from power washing. I'll zoom in a wee bit more actually. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to go over it again, leave it for a couple of minutes, and then I'll go at it with a sponge just to see if it makes a difference. So actually, once you get the sponge, once you've squished it on and use the sponge to agitate it, it's actually pretty decent stuff. The best part about it is, although actually from a smell point of view, it smells like a urinal cake. But considering it's acid free and it's recommended for weekly cleans because it's obviously not going to be aggressive on your wheels because there's no acids in it, that's pretty decent. So yeah, very super quick review of Power Maxed non-acidic alloy wheel cleaner. Yeah. Really good. It's actually, yeah, really good. I'm quite impressed with it. Took all the stains off the wheel, as you can see. So yeah, pretty decent stuff, guys. So if you like that super quick review, and if you're new to the channel, I'd love you to click the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up as well, and I'll see you all in the next one.